Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you all how to delete unread emails easily from your iPhone. I had unread emails from as long as 4 years ago and I deleted them all easily. So you might leave emails unread because there are too many, they don't seem important, you don't have enough time, you have certain email habits, or you receive a lot of spam and irrelevant messages. So today I'm going to show you how to delete them without stress. So now let's see what an unread email looks like. Unread emails usually appear in bold to indicate their unread status. So let's dive right into today's video. So here is a step-by-step guide to deleting unread emails from your iPhone easily. The first step is to open the Mail app. Tap the Mail app icon on your iPhone's home screen. Step 2, go to your inbox, select the mailbox that contains the unread emails. Step 3, click on the input field at the top, then swipe these filter icons to the left. Step 4, tap unread from the icons to show only unread emails. Step 5, tap and select the first message you see. Once you do this, the select all button will appear at the top right corner. Click on the box next to it to select it. This will highlight all unread emails. Step 6, delete emails. Tap the delete icon at the top right to permanently delete all selected unread emails. By following these steps, you can quickly delete unread emails from your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you next time. Thank you all for watching.